This is a final video to show you how to install and manage mods for Fallout New Vegas on your ROG Ally X. Are you struggling to get mods working or finding them hard to organize? The problem happens because mod files can conflict with each other, and the default game setup doesn't make it easy to manage them. Most guides online are confusing, use too many steps, or require extra software that feels overwhelming. On Rexish, I have a simple trick that makes modding fast and safe. You just need a clean setup, a reliable mod manager, and a few smart tips to load mods in the right order. This method keeps your game stable, lets you add new content easily, and saves hours of frustration. If you want, I can make a full step-by-step tutorial showing every mod installation, configuration, and optimization trick to get Fallout New Vegas running perfectly on your ROG Ally X. So comment below if you want that guide.